Hi everyone, I'm Angie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a few spooky Halloween treats. Alright, first up is the Oreo Skeletons. Start by melting white chocolate. Take 3 white chocolate covered pretzels, dab a bit of melted chocolate down the back side to secure it. Now for the arms, cut off the tops of pretzels to create an M shape. Grab the Oreo cookies and submerge it in the melted chocolate. I like to smooth it out with the back of a spoon to create a flat surface so it's easier to draw on after it dries. I'm using an edible writing gel in black to create the eyes and mouth. Once the chocolate has hardened, draw a smiley face. Squeeze a bit of gel onto a plate. Using a toothpick or skewer, draw little lines down the mouth. Once everything is dried, secure the head to the body using melted chocolate. Now add the arms and you're done. Next, we have Dracula dentures. Take a cookie and cut it in half. Spread pink frosting on top of one cookie and on the bottom of the other cookie. Using mini marshmallows, put them on the edge of the curved side. Make sure you stop before you reach the end. Put the other half of the cookie frosting side down to create a mouth. Use almond slivers for the fangs and put it in between the marshmallows. And there you have it. Alright, let's make some witches' brooms. Take scallions and slice them into long, thin strips. Cut string cheese in half and tie the top with scallion strips. Then make small cuts on the bottom half to create bristles. Cut a small hole on the top, then insert a pretzel stick for the handle. You're ready to fly away. Now we're making deviled eggs. Cut hard-boiled eggs in half. Scoop out the yolks. Cut the avocado in half. And spoon out half of an avocado. Transfer to a bigger bowl if you started out with a too small bowl like me. Then mash to combine. Flavor with sriracha, salt, and pepper. You can use however much you'd like. Mix well to combine. Next, thinly slice red bell peppers, then cut the curved edges. This will be for the horns. Using a small cookie scoop, gently fill the egg whites. Carefully insert the bell peppers. Enjoy your little devils! Lastly, I'm going to make one of my favorites, hot dog mummies. Using Pillsbury crescent roll dough, you're going to unfold and cut into thin strips. You can use regular hot dogs or brats. Pull and stretch the dough, then wrap it around the hot dog. Make sure you leave a little gap, then continue wrapping down the body part. Bake for 10 minutes in a 375-degree oven. Add the eyes and you're done! And that's all for today. Follow and subscribe if you'd like to be notified of future videos. See you next time. Oh, and like the video.